2, 3. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles, and today we're doing some funky Bruno Mars, Locked Out of Heaven. Cool, so let's start with putting a cape on 3rd fret, please. We got some bar chords going on, so it's not for beginners. Okay, so the song is in this minor shape here. It looks like a B minor, but it's not because we got the cape on. Alright, so we want this chord, bar, 3rd, pinky. We need A or A9. 1, 2. We need G major. 1, 2, 3. And E minor. 1, 2. And we need D major. Alright. So the first part of the song goes like this. A to B. 1, 2, 3. A, B, 2, 3. Okay, and then we have A to G. And then G to E minor. All downstrokes. One more time. And then for the chorus, we got D major. And then F sharp. Actually, I forgot to tell you this chord. So you got a bar, 2nd fret, low E string, 4, and 2nd finger on 3 G string. Then we have G major, E minor, D major, A9. Back to verse, come on. Chorus, D major, F sharp, feel like. There it is. Locked Out of Heaven. Funky. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow with more cool stuff. Be safe.